Bitcoin is bouncing from support, and this is going to be the Bitcoin calm before the storm. While Bitcoin has been trading inside of a weekend, another massive move is going to be inevitable. A lot of Bitcoin liquidity is right now piling up. So we are going to need to be talking about that exactly and much more in today's update video. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's a short term. And yes, in the short term, Bitcoin has been getting an average so slight bounce back towards the upside. We've been bouncing from this massive level of support. The RSI indicator has been getting oversold. We have been creating this bullish divergence on that 2-hour time frame, and we have been bouncing ever so slightly. Now, yes, right now we are trading inside of another weekend, and I have been saying yesterday that it is just going to be very likely that we are going to be seeing some consolidation at around that semi-close price, which in this case is sitting at around at 94.7k level. So yeah, this far we have just been seeing consolidation at around the CME close price. Now, I do think that at the end of this weekend, volatility is going to be picking up again, and then we can start to see some massive moves again. So yeah, let's see. Definitely do be prepared for what is about to come next. Now, in the short term, Bitcoin might just be creating another consolidation range over here. We are creating an uptrending level of support and a downtrending level of resistance. So we are getting squeezed inside of this consolidation pattern. A breakout is going to be inevitable in the coming few hours. And this could be suggesting us what that next Bitcoin move is going to be. Are we going to be seeing this break towards the upside? In that case, I definitely do think a bigger bounce is going to be inevitable over here. Or are we going to be seeing a break towards the downside? In that case, definitely, I think we are going to be grabbing that downside liquidity, which a lot of liquidity is right now actually piling up on the downside. And we do know that Bitcoin usually goes towards a place where that majority of the liquidity is sitting at. Right now, it is actually sitting at the downside. So this could be a major risk for the short term for Bitcoin. Now, also do keep in mind that in that imminent short term, the Bitcoin price action is actually looking great. So yes, a little bit of a bounce, I think is going to be more likely, but then still, I think eventually we are going to be grabbing that downside liquidity. And whenever we are going to be grabbing that downside liquidity, that's going to be that ultimate opportunity in the market. Then we're going to be grabbing that liquidity down below this level of support, and that would be the best opportunity right now in the market. When we're going to be doing that, I'm going to be scaling fully in towards all of my positions, and then whenever we get back above this level of support, I think this would be the confirmation of this move, and then we're going to be easily going towards printing new all-time highs. We're easily going to be initiating that next leg towards the upside. So yes, that's where I'm going to be waiting for. Grab that liquidity down below, then get back above this level of support, and then that would be your confirmation of the next rally higher. So yeah, it is going to be a little bit of a calm before the storm. Right now, in the short term, we are just consolidating over here. A breakout is going to be inevitable, and let's see in which direction we are going to be getting our breakout in towards. But yeah, I do want to be making it clear that even though if we are going to be grabbing that liquidity towards the downside, that would be the maximum and massive opportunity in the market. Well, even though that would be the best opportunity, I'm not necessarily saying it will happen, because the Bitcoin markets are looking very strong. They're still looking very bullish at this current level. I'm not going to be bearish at all right now at this current moment. Trump is about to be taking office right now in 8 days, and this is going to be having some massive bullish effects in towards the market. So I'm definitely not going to be saying that this liquidity grab is going to happen. I'm only going to be saying that if it will happen, that would be the best opportunity. So anyways, guys, with that being said, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well right now, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming $30 US and trade over on Blofin. You can be trading Bitcoin, you can be trading altcoins, and all you have to do is hit that link down below, deposit at least $50 US, and then you're going to be eligible. You can actually already claim $30 US completely for free. With this money, you can be trading and opening up free positions. And on top of that, you're also even going to be getting a 50% spot fee discount. Now, make sure to check it out with that link down below if it's going to be available in your country, because in certain countries, it's not going to be available. Blofin is not going to be available. So make sure to be checking it out with that link down below. And if it is going to be available in your country, you can be claiming this deposit bonus. Now, anyways, still, if we're going to be zooming out, well, the Bitcoin price price is looking very good. And we got this on-chain analytics over here, this on-chain data, which is looking extremely bullish because retail is literally completely shaken out of the market right now. We can be seeing Bitcoin retail investors with volume from 0 to 10k by USD, well, the demand has changed to negative about 16%. And we haven't really seen this since the bull market in 2021 in around May. After we saw that local top in May, well, we got this insane crash towards the downside, a correction of about 50%. And after that correction, we have seen retail interest sitting at the same levels we are currently sitting at. So this is extremely bullish. We are literally at the same exact stage of the cycle where we were sitting at during this correction, and after that correction we have seen another insane rally towards the upside where all of the altcoins have been exploding. So right now it is about to be happening again. Retail is completely gone, but whenever the weekends and whenever the retail is gone out of the market, well, that should actually always be the time where you should be paying attention and where we are about to be creating and initiating our next leg towards the upside. So I think that altcoins are about to be absolutely exploding. Altcoin season is going to be next. I have been saying this for so many times already, but literally it is true. I mean, if you are going to be having a look into what's a Bitcoin dominance, we've been predicting the exact Bitcoin dominance stop over here. And right now I am predicting the continuation. I am predicting that we are going to be getting a correction over here, a rejection from this level over here, and that altcoin season, the true altcoin season, is about to be getting started with a massive move towards the downside. So we have been predicting the Bitcoin dominance stop, and I'm also going to be predicting the altcoin season start. So anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.